Today we're going to be installing a premium cold air intake on the trail boss from Cold Air Inductions. So y'all stick around, we're going to dive right into it. You've got your huge filter, then you've got your box, you've got your tube, and then you've got your connection that goes with that tube, and then this will connect to the throttle body. So let's go ahead and get the K&N off the truck and start piecing this bad boy together. Does have a little bit more power. So when I get on it, I feel it. Now, as far as the Bola Attack, I think it actually sounds a little bit louder. It's got a really nice growl to it now. So I'm pretty pleased with that. And I'm pretty pleased with this Cold Air Inductions intake.